Okay, I'm ready. I never plug in my machine while I'm working on it, but this time I did, dummy. So let's see what we got here. Which side of the wood is going to be best to cut on? Looks like it's going to be best to go flatten on this side first. So I can make it cut deeper or shallower with this button here. So let's go one pass and see what it looks like. Whoops. This one I actually do have to run the vacuum cleaner on, or dust collector. That keeps it from throwing the sawdust everywhere and keeps this from getting plugged up. Because if you don't have suction coming through there, this thing gets all plugged up. So I'll start her up now. As you can see, the first pass, it didn't cut a lot of, I'm going to go a little bit deeper. There we go. Let's try that. Always use these to keep your fingers away from the spinning blade. I go one more pass, but not as deep. I think that's pretty much got it. Okay, so now we have the board flat and clean on one side. Now we got to do the other side. And to do that, we use a different machine.